Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today we are going to look at how to integrate Trello into Slack. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And let's get started. We are in the Slack workspace. First, click on the More button in the left side panel and then select Automations. Here, click on the Apps button, which is right here. In the search bar, type Trello and click Add. This will redirect us to the Slack Marketplace, where we simply press the green Add to Slack button. Now click Add to Slack and choose the workspace where you want to add Trello. If you need to log in, simply sign in and continue following this video. By default, the workspace in Trello is private, so we need to change it to public and then press Add to Slack. Now you will see some GDPR agreements. Scroll down and accept them. Now final access. Same one, scroll down and confirm. Now Trello is successfully set up in Slack. Go back, refresh the page, check if you did everything right. If you receive a notification from Trello like I did, you have successfully installed Trello. And as you can see, Trello has been successfully added to Slack. I hope this tutorial helped you, and that's all for this video. And don't forget to subscribe.